Hi, today we are going to learn food science and make puffy omelet. You'll need a bowl to crack the egg, a bowl for an egg white and a whisk, a bowl for the egg yolk and something with holes to separate the yolk, and some eggs. Don't forget to wash your hands before cooking. First, crack the egg. Then take the egg yolk out. And then separate the egg white. Then repeat with the rest of the eggs. Now whisk the egg white. You will whisk for 5 to 10 minutes. It's a good workout. Look how foamy it is. Before we go on, let's understand why the egg white foams up like that. We know how to make water bubbles, but as soon as we stop, the bubble pops. So, what keeps egg white bubbles to stay like that? Egg white is made of water and protein. Protein is like a long chain that curls up. When you beat an egg white, the protein stretches out, while the water turns into bubble. Now, the protein starts to wrap around the bubble. Keep the bubble separate and hard to pop. This is the same as coffee making when they foam up the milk. Alright, let's get back to our foamy egg. Now, let's fold the egg white into the egg yolk. Just break the egg yolk with the spoon. Scoop the foam into the yolk. Gently fold the yolk into the foam. Fold everything in so it's the same color. Add salt, sugar, or any seasoning you like. Let's get cooking. Safety. Ask your parents to turn on the fire. Put some butter or oil into the pan. Lower the heat and put the egg mixture into the pan. To make sure your egg is fully cooked, we are going to put the lid on. Let's check the color. You can put any topping on you want on the egg. I'm going to put seaweed seasoning and some mayo. Now it is done, we will fold the egg in half. Because it's too thick, we are going to mark the center. Whoops, I cut it too deep. Let's test the jiggliness. That's it. Now that you learned all about stretching, proteins, and egg white, you can enjoy eating your project. Yay!